you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich overnight trading the Forex synthetic market. I know I don't upload video anyhow, but I look at what people are passing through. Like if I want to upload major video, it must solve a problem, and the problem it will solve is to solve the problem of losses that people are facing in the Forex synthetic market. But this video actually is for synthetic, not necessarily Forex. You can see the title, but before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do your best to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new content, and try to like, comment and refer your network so YouTube will push us to a high level of audience. Okay, today's topic is a premium indicator H1+/M1 matching strategy for synthetic indices. You already know V75, boomcrash, etc. How to succeed with this indicator strategy? Buy the indicator first, $100 for the first 5 people, soon it will go up to $200. Watch the video of how to install the indicators, both on PC and on phone, depending on what device you have. Watch video of the simple price action that works with the indicator, because indicators are lagging, so it works with a price action. Okay, what the premium indicator H1+M1 has, what it has, just put has there. You have number 1, 22 moving averages, relative strength index, price action for sniper entries, SL, that is stop loss, and take profit or TP placements. I'm going to show you some of the things here. I will start with the boom and crash. Before I continue, I want to give you one secret about Forex or synthetic or any other financial product or security. One thing that is very, very important is, if an asset or a security, be it synthetic or Forex or stock or all of that, if it is going to change direction, is going to do that after a particular range has been broken. Then when it changes direction, it's going to create another range. When it creates that range, a new direction is going to happen when that range is broken. And this range is bounded by prices, 2 prices. The range is bounded by 2 prices. Look at what I mean. For instance, I'll go to H4 to do this. This range, this price, this is, let's use horizontal. This level is around the 7,000 plus. That is 7,003 points something. And then this, another range is 8,000. Another boundary is 8,113 points something. If the market is going to change direction, it must either break up or break down out of this range. So let's see what happened. It break up here, and goes up, that it changes direction to up, then it later enter that range and it will break it here. It break the range here. It break the range here. Are you seeing that it break it here? And still enter inside the range. It break it and goes down and then enter the range. And then what happened finally? It keep moving around close to the lower boundary of the range. When I mean range, I mean from 7,003 to 8,013 as I've shown you. Okay, so it's reacting towards here at the lower boundary. It's respecting it and then breaking it and going inside and then coming back and forth. And finally, what happened? It break out of that range. It break out of that range. That therefore it is trading. These are the things that people don't know, and it might take you many years to know this. I tell you, if I didn't open it up, it might take you many years to know this. That is the one of the advantages of following me. You learn a lot. You've learned on the level. You see. So we expect the crash 1000 to trade between this range, between this inside, like to trade inside this range. Remember that a range is bound to be broken after some level of saturations. It can be broken up, it can be broken down. The breakout can be bullish or bearish. Okay, now this is a new range, 6,000. See here, I think it's 6,956 point something. That is the upper boundary of the range, and the lower boundary is 6,512 point something. So this new range, whatever is happening in this new range, in this new block of price action, is independent of what has happened in other ranges. So price change direction and make a new move or a big move after they have broken a particular range. So we can call the range we were considering before can be called range A. So this is range B. If this range B is broken, a new range is created. But the indicators and other price action we have, that's why you should buy the indicator, so that we know what you are trading. So this is a new range, and that is what you are seeing on the screen. This will help you to be confident with your trading. When you are trading, you trade as if you are the one that is actually moving the market. You just move the market, and you also trade the market you move, and you never lose because you trade it as if you are the one that move it. You can't know that the price is going up and you are trading down. You can't know that this market is buying. If you can't confidently know that this market is buying and you foolishly go and sell. That's what you should know. Are you getting it? So that is by the way. So let me show you why this indicator is very powerful. We have about 22 indicators. We have 2 on the main chart and about 20 or more. 20 on the indicator window 1. Okay, so now why did I say this is very, very golden? Why must you buy it? Why should you spend money on this thing? How will it help you? How will it help you to become financially free, build your house, travel around the world, buy your first car, and all of that? How? Okay. Already, you know this is a minimum zone level here. Okay. Now, look at let me use vertical because everything is mapping. I'm going to use 2 vertical that I'll be moving. So I will use it to track result. This one, pick another vertical. Now, look at that. Look at here. This is level 10. You buy. That left, isn't it? You buy. But do you know that a lot of people will not buy because they're already afraid of spike? A lot of people have given up to buy there. Some will buy, some will not buy. Well, the essence of getting this strategy is to build your confidence. It's not just building fake confidence, real confidence that will materialize the reality of maximum profit. So if you check here, let's map it. You see great something that happened. This market actually bought here and then reach the moving average here. This moving average, you can be your first take profit and then break it. This is another take profit, and that is the second take profit. Another moving average, another take profit. Even though it will reach here, you can put other take profit inside this space. This is called this space you are seeing here is invisible take profit space, because you are not, it's not reacting to, like, it's intermediary take profit. It's not, intermediary take profit space, because it's not reacting to those moving average lines, but it's in between. So you know that if you put take profit here, within this space, you are likely going to be collecting huge profit there. So you see, the market, if you place your take profit in the space, it will be triggered. It will be triggered here, and then even though this market reverse and come back here, come back towards your entry, and then have a little bit drawdown, it push up again and keep going. Now, when you get the indicator, the premier indicator, the stop loss settings and TP will be explained. The way, if you place your stop loss, you will not be triggered. Your stop loss is placed in such a way that you will not be triggered. If you are going to be triggered, maybe it is 1% of the time, meaning that it will be hard. 1% of the time means that you are going to win 99% of the time. You are going to profit 99% of the time. So that's good. You see what happened? The moving average lines in the indicator, in the main chart, like this main chart, has become take profit too. I think, and you see what happened on reacting to these black moving averages, and then with a little overshoot, the market sold massively, and then take us out of our sniper entry. Our entry was taken out, and possibly the stop loss will be triggered, but we are not going to be ending with loss, because our TP are tight. Our TP are bounded with the moving averages, and hence our trade must have closed before this happened. Are you getting it? Okay. So are you seeing another signal? You see another signal? Are you seeing another signal here? This is a self signal, so let's map it. Let's map it. Now, when this in the indicator window one, you see these moving averages are called the moving average loop. The loop is inside the space between 85 and 100. And then when you come to the main chart, you notice something on the main chart. When you come to the main chart, when this thing happens in the indicator window, automatically it will reflect here. This is the best sniper entry. This level is the best sniper entry. Any price near here, any price near this price that is golden, like marked by the horizontal line, is sniper. No matter how the market struggle, they are not going to reach your stop loss. I'm using H4. I say H1 plus. If you go to the topic is Premier Indicator H1 plus / M1 matching strategy for synthetic indices. Now, why I put plus there is to tell you that let me go back to where we are. To tell you that The reason behind that is to tell you that the time frame can be H1, H4, D1 daily, the weekly or monthly. The higher the time frame, the stronger the signal and the longer you stay in the trade. This thing is going to solve your problem. You will never lose again. It will solve your problem. But one thing is, it's not easy to study all the charts, all the assets. The essence of joining VIP is an expert, somebody have dedicated himself or herself to working across assets, indices, forex, stocks, and all of that, and get the best result. But you may not have that energy or that let me call it talent to work across assets and get the best result. So if you are not sure that you can be able to buy this indicator and succeed, then enroll for VIP, because in the VIP our signal are produced using powerful strategies, powerful indicators, setup and combinations and confluence theories. Are you getting it? That's good. So what you see here is sniper entry near this price. Then the stop loss is positioned in such a way that no matter how the market struggle, it will never react. And what happened? This market sold. Keep selling. The first TP will be this reaction to this moving average, the green one. Another TP will be inside, in between these lines. All the TP you place inside this take profit space, that is between intermediary take profit space, that is in between the two moving averages, is going to be triggered even before the reversal will happen. Are you getting it? Now see another entry here. Let me tell you, the essence of following people like us on YouTube for Forex or financial market education is not that it's not just for fun. You are following us for your own success. Like, you are following us for reality. Real. If you can remember what I said, I talk about range. For a market to change direction or to take a new move, it must break out of a range, or it must be trading within a range. And that will help you to believe that this market will stay like here, this market will buy here, because our range has not been broken. To define range, you do that in H4 or daily or weekly, depending. Are you getting it? Trending. When the market is trending, it's still moving in a range. Yes. Or you won't understand until you have gone far. We have died for this market, so we are not afraid of anything. If I say buy, it's buying. If I say sell, come join VIP and you see it for your eye. So I don't like to talk too much. Okay, that's good. You see this market bought here. So I've used this to explain cash 1000, both buying and selling. You see, it's no longer a matter of spike is going to wipe your account or direction is going to wipe your account. It's now a matter of knowing the truth, and that is what I'm trying to say to you. Are you getting it? You no longer this heartbeat or having high blood pressure and all of that. That spike is going to eat. All those ones are for those that have not died for this market, that have not experienced anything. Are you getting it? So let's open one volatility market like volatility 75 index. Let's see what is going to happen. You see, who missed that opportunity? A lot of people miss it because they're afraid. They say this market has been selling. If I buy now, I will be knocked out. Who tell you you'll be knocked out? Let me show you something that happened here. Fear is the greatest enemy. But you only overcome fear by following those that will encourage you and that is WINFXTRADING. See what happened here. This is H4. I've not used H1, but still work. Let me use H1 in this case. This is H1. I get it now. You see that reaction here inside the space between 10 and 0. At least it touches 10 or in between. Now, if you consider the main chart, you see that reaction that happened. It's not magic. It will keep happening like that, whether you like it or not. You see where the price is today. That is where the price is today. This is where the price is, near this zone. Now, you think we are playing? We are not playing. Over 37,000 people. If you traded one lot size, sniper entry, with sniper entry, if you have a $1,000 account and you enter one lot size sniper entry, you are making $37,000. You are making $37,000. Are you getting it? We are not buying. I think with $1,000 account you can use one lot size. Maybe if it didn't work, then you have to upgrade to $2,000 account. So you can use one lot size on volatility 75 index. And imagine you made a profit out of $7,000 that you have not ever made since you were born, because you don't have motivation, you don't have encouragement. Nobody is going to open the secret to you. You just join my channel and you have that liberty or that freedom. Don't you know that $7,000 you can use it and start a business that will change your life? Let's assume you want to start a restaurant. With that $7,000, at least you can buy a land, maybe a small plot of land, maybe depending. You can get a plot of land for, let's say, $20,000, and then use the remaining $70,000 to maybe buy building materials and all of that. Start building, or you can pay for rent. You can rent a shop and buy foods that you want, the restaurant meals, food, drinks and all of that. So we are here to give people financial freedom to start to boom in the society. When you put your $1,000 and you lose, you come again and put again, you lose. Once you commit suicide, you will definitely, because you are confused. But I'm here to make everything work. That money we used to blow your account, use it to get these indicators and the instructional video on how to use it. I get it. Okay, that's good. Now, what else? Let's shake. This is a buy signal that has already happened. You can see that we are not playing. You can see that you are placing your TP here, near here. You are going to place your TP near here. Okay. Next place your TPs here. But then you have to know that you must have placed TP in between this space, because if the market starts reversing, then you can close every other trade. By then you have made huge profit because other TPs have been triggered. And before this market will reach here, you already know you will place your TP. You close manually, because you enter at a sniper entry. Your entry is sniper. Before price will come back here, it will be hard to come back. If it will come back, it will be rare. It's not easy to come back here. I get it. But if it is coming back, you will see it. You close your trade, or you can decide to trade your stop loss. Maybe bring it close to here. Maybe by then you have most of your trade have closed. This strategy will help you to open many trades because you trust the process. You can open up to 5 to 10 positions, or even 20 positions, or multi-level positions, because because it must definitely happen. All you need to do is to make sure that your margin is good, because this is sniper. When we say sniper, once you enter the trade, you start going in profit, meaning that your margin will appreciate or grow exponentially over time and not decreasing. You will not receive margin call. That is what it means. I get it. But then you need to control your positions. Like, you don't need to over open position because of margin, because there is a way you over open position and a slight counter movement of price can lead to margin call. That's all. Let's check if you can get yourself signal that follow this thing. You remember this H1? Okay. We see here. We see here. Let's map all this. You see, I use the first touch because that is what we need. The first touch. When you buy this strategy, you will learn everything. Okay, you see, if you map it, you see it. If you enter here, that is sniper entry. You will position your stop loss far above. And then what happened? The market sold. There is no messy. It's still trading inside the range. I didn't define the range, but at least what I said in cash market, cash 1000, we have explained it to you. Okay, so this market sold. First TP will be here, or here. You can place your first TP on reaction to this moving average. Then the second TP will be at reaction to this black moving average, and then the next TP will be inside the space, or intermediate or TPs will be placed inside the space between this moving average. And even there are things I didn't say. You can use level 10 when you sold. You can use level 10 as take profit. All this works. I'll be ending this video. Thank you and bye for now. Try to take action. You see, you have to ask yourself some question. Why is it that a lot of people watch video and they still blow their account? The reason is there are two things. Either you are blowing your account because you are not following the video you watch is not accurate, or you are not patient to wait for the condition to be realized. Like, what I'm trying to say is, once you buy this indicator, it's going to work, but the only thing that will make you lose track is when you stop following the discipline that the video is telling you, because everything that will work based on some discipline. If you start being impatient and start trading anyhow, remember, this is a volatile market. A small move can blow your account, then you will not make it. So what you need to do is, there are two things. Either you buy this indicator and then you obey, you humbly obey and wait for the conditions that we are giving to you in the indicator, or you join VIP and trade it. We use our own idle, our own skill, and synthesize the signal for you. Are you getting it? Okay, so thank you and bye for now.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the silence.